I'm going to share with you Mercedes AMG C55. This is W203. My emblem is broken. In order to change it, you need a plier and the emblem itself. So let's change it. We're going to open the hood. Pop open the hood. You can twist with your hand. Sometimes they're hard, then you need a plier. So as you see, it's rotated. This is the lock. Push it, just like this. It just pulls out. Before you install the new one, just clean the area. After cleaning it, we're going to put it the same way. This is the big notches. It goes straight like this, it drops in. And make sure that Mercedes on top and Benz is written right there. That's the orientation. And now at the bottom, with your hand, you just rotate it and it locks in. And that's it. So that's how it's easy and simple. You change your Mercedes emblem. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.